Hi, I'm Mike Dix with SkipperBud's. I'm standing aboard Avaira boat's flagship model, the AV40. Take you on a little tour. Starting from the stern, we have a hydraulic swim platform that lowers from your main platform. Moving forward, we have your stadium-style terrace seating. Multifunctional, back rest slip down, come back up. And then if you're not wanting the stadium seating, you can drop it all the way back down. Lower this down and have a nice lounge space here. You'll also notice the beach door that's folded down here on the starboard side. There's an identical door on the port side that folds down to make a huge swim platform terrace area for your enjoyment out on the water. Moving forward in the boat, this is your galley area, if you will. Set up with 2 refrigerators and a single grill. There is an optional secondary grill that would go in this space here. You also have a deep built-in fiberglass cooler with drain, bottle storage, and a nice sink to complete your wet bar area. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper 3. Oh, no. This area also provides access to your fuel tanks. Moving forward, you have storage under all the seats in the boat. So all the way around here. Nice deep storage. Looking forward, the helm area is very ergonomically set up. It's got an extra wide dual bolster set up for the helm seat. Can fit 3 people comfortably across, 2 for sure. Looking at your large Simrad screen here, this will have all your engine diagnostics, radar. You can split screen, I believe up to 4 ways. Just to have everything you need up on the screens. You also have your main Avaira Ilmore screen here. That's going to give you all your engine diagnostics, maintenance updates, everything related to the engines themselves. And then you also have your tablet style screen to the port side of the helm, which will have all your radio controls, volume, lighting controls, heat. The boat's equipped with heated seats and direct heat throughout the cockpit. Moving down into the cabin area of the boat. For a day boat, has a very well appointed cabin. You have a convertible space up to the front of the boat. That'll convert down into a sleeping space. Also provides a nice wraparound couch area for your large Samsung television and soundbar. There's also another refrigerator down here. And to the aft, you have a very large sleeping space. It's also equipped with a shower head combination. Moving towards the bow of the boat, you'll notice nice deep gunwales. So even in rough water, you're still going to feel safe in the boat. My waist is well below the top side of the boat here. Looking forward, you have a nice wraparound seat with a table that'll come up. It's a teak table. Right now it's all set up in your bow lounge space. So you can put that cushion away, bring the table up, and have a nice entertainment space for a lot of guests up front. This boat is available now. If you have any questions, please email or contact us via our website or phone. My name is Mike. Thank you.